colorectal cancer is on rise.
To cure patients or to at least provide the best treatment possible.
This is the most intense idea which drives me through the day.
These are the key things: precision, reliability, and a good portfolio of products which we need, and they fill the niches we need as doctors.
Now with a dedicated cold snare, it speeds the process up.
That made our resection time a lot less than we used before.
With green endoscopy, when we're trying to think about reducing the numbers of devices that we're using, having a snare that gives you flexibility is a big advantage.
Very convenient to reduce our stress, to reduce procedure time and increase patient safety and in the end patient's quality of life.
I'm sure that we can save at least one life, and that would be great. We work together. The stronger the team, the faster we will win the war against colon cancer.
Because as we know,
Every adenoma counts.
Every adenoma counts.
Every adenoma counts.